20 life-changing quotes by Imam Ali as you must know before you die. Smile even if your heart is dripping blood. Hazrat Ali quotes. The tongue is like a lion. If you let it loose, it will wound someone. Quotes by Ali ibn Talib Ra. It is easier to turn a mountain into dust than to create love in a heart that filled with hatred. Forgiveness is the best revenge. Imam Ali. Anger is like a ball of fire, but if you swallow it, it's sweeter than honey. Imam Ali sayings. Conquer your lustful desires and your wisdom will be perfected. Imam Ali quote. There are two ways to live a pleasant life, either in someone's heart or in someone's prayer. Quote of Hazrat Ali. Evildoers never think well of anyone because they see others in their own nature. Imam Ali saying. Do not be a slave to others when Allah has created you free. Hazrat Ali quotes. Let go of anything that brings you stress and sorrow. Imam Ali. Be like the flower that gives its fragrance even to the hand that crushes it. Quote by Imam Ali. Nothing hurts a good soul and a kind heart more than to live amongst people who cannot understand it. Do not disappoint the one whose hope lies in you. Imam Ali quote. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. Hazrat Imam Ali AS. The moment you start arguing with an ignorant fool, you have already lost. Do not try to run after him who tries to avoid you. Hazrat Ali quote. Like and subscribe my channel.